Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote our values as Africans. I thank you all for showing me love on this channel. I thank you for your support, both in cash and in kind. I recently created a channel that is dedicated for the teaching of Yoruba language. So I appreciate some of you that have subscribed to the channel. At the same time, I want to urge you guys to help me subscribe to the channel so that I will be able to produce more videos, and it will equally encourage me to continue with this mission of teaching you guys Yoruba language. I want you to remember that Yoruba language is very, very important if you want to understand Ifa, perfectly, okay? Because there is no other way uh, to understand the message of Ifa other than understanding Yoruba language. Even though we try to translate the language to English, is not the real meaning of what Ifa is talking about cannot be properly understood with English language. Please just go to Eko Ede Yoruba TV, subscribe so that the mission can continue, because your subscription is highly needed for me to continue with these projects. Okay. Um, Likewise, I have created a channel as well. This channel is dedicated for those who do not understand Yoruba language and at the same time uh, want to be hearing from our Yoruba babalawos. As you can see, I've interviewed a couple of babalawos on my page, and I still have so much babalawos that I'm yet to upload on my channel, and the struggle still continues. Okay, so the channel is as well coming up very soon. I think I test run the channel with just a video. If you want to watch it, I'll put the flyout right up here. If you want to check the channel, the name of the channel is Isese Priest TV. So we are working on it. So I will, just take a look at the making of this very channel, a new channel that I'm working on, which is called Isese Priest TV. Just take a look at it.
What is Oluawo? The meaning of Oluawo is the head of Ifa priest. I am the head of Ifa priest in Iseke town. Just as how Imam is the head of our fast and Bishop is the head of a church for Christians.
That was the making of this Isese Priest TV. So I have my staff. They are working on converting those interviews to text. So that you guys can understand. I call it audio book, which you can read live online, like you can read it in a video form, animation form. So I am the one speaking, as you have heard it. So the video, we are working on the production. So any video you watch here, you can go to that particular channel to get the translation of the video in audio form. I call it audio test. You can listen to it, and as well you can watch the test with our animation software that we're making use of. So I have so much to give to you guys. I appreciate you for showing me love. I want you to continue supporting me. For those of you who are supporting me, I pray that may Olodumare continue to support you all. There are so many features that you can use to support me right here on YouTube. You can see Super Tank. The Super Tank is there. The donation is there. You can be a member. So thank you very much for supporting me. I pray that may Lord continue to support you. Bye and thank you for now.